I guess that's also, so let me just also bring in one point you mentioned. So there is a big gap between, and it's actually a mindset gap. So there is a big gap between those who will be leading because they know how to use data, and those who are still kind of like struggling. And we see that already in the economy, that you actually have these digital leaders outperforming up to 1.7 times more efficient than the others. And AI is accelerating it because it allows you to actually look at better data. For example, for us, we developed this diagnostics tool for the companies. We also figured out it's almost impossible to see the connections between 1,400 points and what is the optimum strategy and optimum resource allocation you should do. That is not humanly possible.
Right.
But for a machine, it's easy, right? That's the machine's task to be precise across many dimensions. And AI will actually be more powerful to translating it from actually, there are some data points and here is something easy for you to understand, because you human meat sack, please understand that these numbers are important. Yes, that's
So
the real
true.
revolution of AI there. Also this thing that we cannot do and translate it in something that we can understand. So looking at very big numbers, but also giving us a little summary of what we need to look at. And for us also, one of the next things after actually diagnosing the problem is also to automatically upskill the employee. To upskill the employees, to close gaps automatically, to actually take out the unsexy things from the management, to also automate it in a big way. So people are not really dependent on doing all the unsexy stuff, but actually that's, I think, one of the biggest things in the future, that the unsexy things can be taken by the machine, and we have actually more time to do something more meaningful, to talk with customers, to be innovative, to do something that really adds value.